Ready, set, save. Let's dive into getting your State Farm Drive Safe and Save beacon set up and ready to help you save on your car insurance. First, you'll need to unbox the package inside. You should find the beacon itself, a mounting clip, and a quick start guide. Keep the guide handy, it'll be useful. The beacon is the small device that will track your driving habits. It's about the size of a key fob and has a small light to indicate its status. Next, grab your smartphone and open the State Farm app. If you haven't already, download the app from your app store and log into your account. In the app, find the Drive Safe and Save section and follow the prompts to activate your Drive Safe and Save program. You'll need to give the app relevant permissions, like location tracking. Now, let's get the beacon ready. The beacon requires a battery to operate. Make sure to install the battery correctly, paying attention to the positive and negative terminals. Your app will notify you when the beacon is ready. After that, you'll follow the on-screen instructions to pair the beacon with your phone. Now that the device is connected, it's time to mount it in your car. Locate the mounting clip, attach the beacon to it, making sure it clicks securely into place. Now, find a good spot inside your car to place the beacon. The best position is somewhere on your windshield, ideally near the top center, so it has a clear view of the road. That's it. You're all set to start saving. Drive safely and the app will start monitoring your driving habits within a few drives. The app will start to show your driving score. Remember, with Drive Safe and Save, you'll automatically get an initial discount for signing up. Then, at your renewal time, you could save up to 30% or more, based on how safely you drive.